Welcome to learnenglish.com. Ladies and gentlemen, today, I will be giving you a brief lecture on how to use the future indefinite tense with an object in spoken British English. The future indefinite tense is used to talk about actions or events that will happen in the future. It is also known as the simple future tense. When using the future indefinite tense with an object, there are a few key points to keep in mind. First, let's understand the structure of this tense. The basic structure is subject plus will plus verb plus object. For example, I will read a book. Now, let's discuss some specific guidelines to follow when using the future indefinite tense with an object in spoken British English. 1. Be clear and concise. When using the future indefinite tense, it's important to be clear and concise in your communication. Use simple and direct sentences to convey your message. For example, instead of saying, I will be reading a book, you can say, I will read a book. 2. Use contractions. In spoken English, contractions are commonly used to make the language flow more naturally. When using the future indefinite tense, it's perfectly acceptable to use contractions. For example, instead of saying, I will go to the party, you can say, I'll go to the party. 3. Pay attention to word order. In British English, the usual word order in a sentence is subject plus verb plus object. However, when using the future indefinite tense, the word order changes slightly. The correct order is subject plus will plus verb plus object. For example, instead of saying, I will a book read, you should say, I will read a book. 4. Be mindful of pronunciation. Pronunciation plays a crucial role in spoken English. Pay attention to how the words are pronounced, especially when using contractions. For example, I'll is pronounced as iul, and won't is pronounced as won't. Practice these pronunciations to ensure clarity in your speech. To summarize, when using the future indefinite tense with an object in spoken English, remember to be clear and concise, use contractions, pay attention to word order, and be mindful of pronunciation. By following these guidelines, you can effectively communicate your thoughts and ideas about future actions or events. Let us make a few sentences and repeat with me. Positive sentences. 1. I will visit my grandparents next weekend. 2. We will go on a picnic tomorrow. 3. She will complete her project by the end of the month. 4. They will attend the concert on Friday. 5. He will finish his homework before dinner. 6. The company will launch a new product next year. 7. We will have a party to celebrate our success. 8. She will learn to play the piano in a few months. 9. They will travel to Europe during their summer vacation. 10. I will start a new job next week. Negative sentences. 1. I will not buy a new car this year. 2. We will not go to the beach on Sunday. 3. She will not pass the exam without studying. 4. They will not participate in the competition. 5. He will not attend the meeting due to a prior commitment. 6. The company will not release a new product in the near future. 7. We will not have enough time to finish the project. 8. She will not join the club unless her friend does. 9. They will not visit their relatives this summer. 10. I will not be able to attend the party on Friday. Interrogative sentences. 1. Will you come to the concert with me? 2. Will they finish the construction on time? 3. Will she complete the report before the deadline? 4. Will the team win the championship this season? 5. Will he travel abroad for his vacation? 6. Will the company launch a new product soon? 7. Will you attend the seminar next week? 8. Will she pass the driving test on her first attempt? 9. Will they organize a charity event? 10. Will I have enough time to finish the project? Repeat with me. Positive sentences. 1. I will visit my grandparents next weekend. 2. We will go on a picnic tomorrow. 3. She will complete her project by the end of the month. 4. They will attend the concert on Friday. 5. He will finish his homework before dinner. 6. The company will launch a new product next year. 7. We will have a party to celebrate our success. 8. She will learn to play the piano in a few months. 9. They will travel to Europe during their summer vacation. 10. I will start a new job next week. Negative sentences. 1. I will not buy a new car this year. 2. We will not go to the beach on Sunday. 3. She will not pass the exam without studying. 4. They will not participate in the competition. 5. He will not attend the meeting due to a prior commitment. 6. The company will not release a new product in the near future. 7. We will not have enough time to finish the project. 8. She will not join the club unless her friend does. 9. They will not visit their relatives this summer. 10. I will not be able to attend the party on Friday. Interrogative sentences. 1. Will you come to the concert with me? 2. Will they finish the construction on time? 3. Will she complete the report before the deadline? 4. Will the team win the championship this season? 5. Will he travel abroad for his vacation? 6. Will the company launch a new product soon? 7. Will you attend the seminar next week? 8. Will she pass the driving test on her first attempt? 9. Will they organize a charity event? 10. Will I have enough time to finish the project? Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be able to use future indefinite with ease and confidence. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you all the best in your language learning journey from learnenglish.com.